search the smart vent at Apple Store or Google Play Store, or you can scan the QR code to install the app on your phone. But please ensure the Wi-Fi network can cover this module. When you control the unit on your phone, the data showed on the touchscreen panel will change simultaneously. Then we enter into the app, register and log in. At home page, we add the ERV model. Choose Large Home Appliances and then press Ventilation System with Wi-Fi. We can see the indicator blink slightly. Choose Wi-Fi network selection. Input your Wi-Fi password. Go on to the next step. Choose the Wi-Fi network selection. Input correct Wi-Fi password. Choose the correct device hotspot, which is normally named Smart Life. Until the hotspot successfully connected, press Return at the top left corner. Then waiting for the ventilator connected to the mobile phone. Done. The main control page shows the information of ERV, including fan speeds, indoor air temperature. If you connect to the CO2 sensor and humidity sensor, the data will also be seen. The on and off button to turn on and turns off the ventilator. We can select fan speed for supply air. Let's try it 5 and confirm it. Fan speed selection for exhaust air 5 for example, and confirm it. And the temperature button to set reheater activated temperature. Let's try it 20 degrees for example, and confirm it. Now let's go to setting. You can set the auto bypass opening temperature range, timer filter alarm, and ERV timer on and off function. Let's try it one by one. We can set the bypass limit temperature, for example 20, and confirm it. Now let's go to bypass temperature range within 5 degrees and confirm it. Let's go to filter life setting. If you set 45 days, when the ERV runs 45 days, the filter alarm signal will be showed here to remind you replace the filter. You can also set 6 days, 90 days, and 180 days and confirm it. If you want to clear the alarm, you just set a button and confirm it. Let's try timer function. Press add button. You can choose the time you want the ERV to be turned on automatically. Let's try it 7 o'clock in the morning. And choose the repeat. Repeat from Monday to Friday. And confirm it. And turn it on. Yes, confirm. We can select the supply air fan speed. Let's try it 5, for example, and confirm. You can also set a fan speed for exhaust air and confirm. And save it. Now let's set the time be the ERV to turn off automatically. 5 o'clock in the afternoon, for example. And repeat from Monday to Friday. And confirm it. And choose the off button. Confirm. Save. If you want to set more timer slots, you can add the time you like. Go back. This is the end of our operation.